Hi, I'm Hunter from Black Valve Media. We've been building these face shields that I know a lot of people have a need for. If you're one of those people, we want to get these in your hands. And if you're in the Cleveland area, we're going to make that happen.
We're also making a video of how to create these face shields, at least how we've done it. If anyone is interested or in an area that is harder hit than Cleveland, that might be interested in creating them. Pieces and parts of it are harder to find right now, so you kind of have to be a little creative. So I'm just gonna put out there what we did to make this happen.
So if you need a mask, or you know someone who needs a mask, or you know someone who might know someone who needs a mask, please do what you can to help us and help other people get what they need to be safe during this time. You can reach us through our email on our website. All the information will be posted with this video, so please feel free to reach out, and we hope that we can help anyone at all be safe during this time.
Overall, we'd really just like to thank all the frontline medical workers out there, and if there's any way that we can help even just a little bit with this, we're happy to do it.